dirimu, waktu aku memandang wajahmu. Kamu sungguh memang cantik.
Hello,
Hi everyone, introduce me, Jessica Sitores. Today I will tell you how to make toasted brown bread which is suitable for breakfast. The method is very easy. Before I tell you how, here are the ingredients needed.
It's like a Polaroid love.
The first, take one loaf. And the second, spread the chocolate jam on the bread evenly. Then cover the bread that has been given jam with bread that has not been jammed in. Then spread a little butter. Heat the Teflon, then add a little butter. Bake the bread until brown. Chocolate toast is ready to be served. Well, how easy is it? Friends can try this at home anytime. Alright, thank you for watching how to make toasted brown bread from me. See you next time. Bye bye.